Oh, I don't know what to do. Where is this forum's equipment? Shit, damn. I don't know where to find it now. What to do now? If I go and ask, you will not give me a return money back. What to do? I'm so confused. Oh, shit.
Bro, can I help you? I guess you're looking for something. Yes, sir. I have been looking for so long. Forums equipments only. It is not available here. What, sir? I'm paid so much money. You don't have a forums machine only. How can I develop my weak forums stronger, sir? You have to tell me what to do for this solution. You have so much equipment. You don't have a forums machines. No, it's so disappointing. Literally, I feel disappointed. No forums equipment only. I accept, bro. Whatever you say. I'm sorry for that. Unfortunately, we don't have a forums machines. The reasons we learned by using only dumbbells and bars, and we developed in such a physique, and I competed to till Mr. India level. I could able to develop that kind of a physique. Why can't you develop such a mindsets by using only dumbbells and bars? Bro, let me tell you something. 2020 was like a disaster for many of us. There are so many gyms was completely shut, and so many gyms was completely closed. We could not even find a single gyms was operating, but still we learned using only household things. And many of us, maybe they are so unique that they started lifting a gas cylinder by using it with a heavy objects, and they started doing it their own fitness activities at home, and they started using buckets, water buckets. Such a environment we adapted particular those days. Why can't you learn the same skill here? Because fitness is teaching us in a many form and many way, but it's just that our mindsets, it's we connected towards only particular that we have become so obsessions. We are looking forward luxury and comfort zone. We don't have this, we don't have that. It's all a complaining. Stop giving an excuse. Start make things happen. You could able to do it many way. It's just that where you're learning, with whom you are taking instructions. So these are all about its matters. And also I tell you one more thing. The fact is, the world biggest forums in the world. There is a person called Jeff Deb. He is from American farmers. He is the biggest forums in the world. He is known as the Popeye. This person named called Jeff Deb has earned himself the nickname called Popeye from his fans. We all used to watch, there was a show, Popeye is an American cartoon character that used to come in television 1929. So the same character, same personality, people used to freak out in reality. So the same, such a big arms, forearms, he used to train very basic with the help of dumbbells. Imagine his forearms were like 19 inches. It's impossible to bring that kind of size. But still people they train with the basic equipment. Because I'm just showing this video so that we can understand human body science. So because anything is possible. But it's just that we need to learn the knowledge. Sorry sir. Teach me forums workout sir. I will follow whatever you give me instructions sir. I love to go through your training sir. Forgive me. Hey guys, this is me Sanu Kumar. Namaste. Hope you all are doing great. I've been getting a request teach us some forums workouts. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So my first variation is reversed bar wrist curl. So what you should do it, keep your arm straight, extended and completely extended, and try to reach as much as possible down and again all the way up, then again all the way down, and do this for probably for 15 to 20 repetitions. So as you do it, and you can see that the muscle contractions is happening. As you can see, my second variation is standing behind reverse curl. Because this is so effective, you should always try doing it with lightweight, then you go a little heavier as much as possible, and do it very slow and gently. Do this 15 to 20 repetition, 3 sets. As you can see, this is small bar with one attached with a rope, my third variation. So this is best exercise. As you can see, keep your shoulder near your chest level. As you can see, this is so difficult exercise, more difficult exercise than it looks, because it works your shoulder too. While doing this, you will feel the burn, and even you can't do more. This is best forearm exercise you can do, better than anything else. While doing this exercise, remember, constant tension should go on, and you will feel amazing pump in your forearms. You can't even flex your fingers. This is best forearm exercise. What I can suggest you, you can do this one full movement up and down, that you can keep it for one set. Like this, do probably for 3 sets, and that's enough. You can't do more further. So effective, and just try doing this. This exercise is called pronation and supinations. This works really great, especially for your outer forearms and inner forearms. Keep this exercise. So keep your posture straight and keep your elbow fixed position, and you should not move your elbow front and back, and keep your movement restricted, and keep doing it this movement continuously. So my next exercise which I'm using it, ulnar and radial division. For this I'm just using it only one simple rod, small rod. So for that, lift your arms till your shoulder level, and then grab the bar and do this for downward, upward. Repeat this movement. But it looks simple, but it is very effective. 3 sets, each sets 15 to 20 is more than enough. That's all for the day, friends. I hope you all are enjoyed it as much as I did today. If you're watching this video for the first time, you really need to consider to subscribe my channel, so that I'll bring more videos and informations every week. And if possible, just give us a comments, because your each and every one comments will motivate another person's. Your comment, if someone read it, obviously they're gonna follow your footstep. And I think, why don't you start, do it, comment, let everyone follow you. So until then, bye, see you. Sanukumar signing off.